Welcome back to Shan Studio. If you're new, welcome. If you're an OB, welcome back. So today, as you know, your girl got a hair review and unboxing from this hair company that is called Isee Hair. So your girl is going to be unboxing this bad boy for you guys and let you guys know what I think. And I will be having a video coming up on me actually installing this hair, and I will be also back with a proper review to let you guys know how the hair holds up and how to maintain it. Okay, so let's get into this review. So as you see, let me open it. Ta-da! And that's what the inside looks like. Okay, so as you can see here, they have all their social medias, so you can go and follow them on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, or Pinterest. So they have all their links here, and I will also make sure to link the site where I got the wig from in the description below, and so you guys can go and shop with them if you would like. Okay, so the hair that I got here, let me look. So this is the hair, came in the package. This is a this one is a kinky, it's the kinky curly 22-inch. This is the Mongolian hair. It's 130 density, and it's a 3x4 wig. So it's a lace front wig. So I will take this out in a second and show you, but let's see what else is in the box. What came in the box. So got a few goodies up in this box. So let me see what's up in here. So I see they sent a Isee Princess series, a 3D mink lash. So if you're the type of girl that's into fake lashes, they got a pair here, but they look natural, so that's not bad. Look natural. One of these days, I'm gonna try one of these fake. See how these lashes. I don't know if they will go well, because since my eyelashes are already long, but I'm willing to try. Let me close that. So we have that. It also comes with elastic band, which is good. So you know when you got it on to slick down those edges, you have that as well. And with every wig comes with a wig cap, which is good, and it's a tan color, so that is good as well. And it also comes with the it says the Isee Hair Princess series. So it also comes with, like I said, all their social media. This is a pamphlet, and it has a few stuff there. And yes, we seen a sister on the front cover, which is nice. This is nice. So, and also when you go here, it has like a little saying inside the box. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but it has a saying: "You are the most beautiful princess." It says, "Thank you for supporting Isee Princess." So, and it just has a little bit of thing that you can read. So let's get into this hair, shall we? Let's see what this hair is all about. So one thing I like, it comes in a bag, and it states that the type of hair it is, which is good for packaging. It also states that's 22 inches, which is really good, and it tells you the density of the hair and the type of hair that you're getting. So far the packaging is really good packaging. So let's open up this package and see. And I see here it also has the protection cap, which is good. So you know, so the hair is gonna keep. Oh, look at that. And the smell of it, well, smells like any regular hair that you get when you get hair. That new hair smell. Okay, and it has the seal from inside. It has 4 combs. So this is the inside of it, as you can see. So it has a comb at the back, and it has 3 combs at the front. I don't think this is bleached. I don't think the knot's bleached, but could be. Trying to see if it's bleached. So that is what it looks like so far. So no, the knots are not bleached. You could tell by here, by just looking. So your girl is gonna have to most likely bleach the knots. So let me show you guys. So you can see, I'll do a close-up. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but you can see here, so the knots are not bleached, so you would have to bleach the knot. So it would have been nice if it was bleach. That would have been a bonus. bonus. So but it looks pluck. The texture of the hair, so good so far. Let me run my hand through it and see if there's any shedding. I know it's 22 inches, but does it look 22? Well, I guess when you stretch it, it does look 22. So I'm gonna do, let me comb through this bad boy a little bit, but the texture of the hair, it feels good. There is a little bit of shedding, but not that much. It's just, I guess, see, you get one or two strand, but that's to be expected with any wig. It don't matter how good a company is, you are gonna have some form of shedding, because with natural hair, real hair, you still do have a shedding. You do have shedding. So it feels good so far. I can't complain. The smell, like I said, it got that new smell, and I'm sure like when you fluff it out. So right now what I'm doing, I'm just running my hand through it. So I am pretty much fluffing it, because like this, like you want, when you have wigs like these, you want it to be full. So when you fluff it like that, you get a full look. And this should look, when it's done like the water method, it should be popping. So this, I am going to have to probably bleach the knots and put it on. Yeah, I'm definitely going to have to bleach the knots before I install it. So I will probably definitely do a video of me bleaching the knots of here to make it more realistic. You want the more of a realistic look, so definitely and if you don't know how to bleach the knot, get them professionally done. Find somebody that can bleach the knots for you and get it done. It just look way more better that way. So like I said, it does have a bit of shedding. See, I found a couple of strands of hair, but so far so good. As you see so far, what it looks like, this is what it looked like on. Don't look too bad. So, but I am definitely going to get this girl together, and I'm sure when I get it together, let me see, I'm just trying to see here if it looks too bad. It doesn't look so bad if you don't bleach it. And if you don't want to bleach the knots, you don't have to. You can always just use your foundation, because you see the lace is a little bit light, so you know by the time your makeup touches it and your foundation touches it, it will lighten up to your color or get to your shade. But it will need some plucking, because y'all know this is not no regular no regular hairline, so it's definitely gonna need some work. So yeah guys, so I'm definitely going to come back and I'm going to give you guys an update on this, and I'm also going to give you an install, so stay tuned for the install. So this is just a quick unboxing just to see what the hair is like and to smell the smell of it, and just to see the packaging. And like I said, the packaging is good. The only other thing that I wish they would have done is put it in a silk package, like a silk bag, so when you're finished with your wig, you can store it in there and it lasts you longer. So that is another like recommendation I would recommend to them that they can do. But you know, but other than that, so far so good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys.